Hello. Today I want to talk about lasers. I'm Dr. Gray Kantor here at Kantor Dental Group, Aesthetic Dentistry and Implantology. Today I'm here with Gina Kaprielian, otherwise known as @G Capri. She's our hygienist here. She's excellent, gentle, and knows a lot about lasers. So, what is the experience like when you get a laser treatment?
It's great because it's essentially painless. You go under the gums and you feel like a warm sensation. But if you feel like you might have more sensitive gums, we can totally numb you up, and it makes it so you don't feel anything. We just have you wear some cool glasses and just sit back, relax, and get refreshed.
Well, what does the device look like?
It's a neat little device. It's very small, so you hardly feel anything going in. It just goes slightly underneath your gums, but it's this tiny tip that goes through and emits the beam to attract the bad pigment and cleans up your gums with it.
And there's also this study that I just read in the California Dental Journal that healthy gums can reduce Alzheimer's, right? Reduce neurodegenerative diseases has been shown, or at least connected to a reduction in neurodegenerative diseases. That's a big deal. None of us want to have Alzheimer's.
So getting rid of all the bad bacteria in your mouth is going to make it so that the rest of your body is healthy as well, because everything kind of starts in your mouth and it can go past that. So we want to make sure we stop it in its tracks, and so you don't get any systemic overall body issues. This way you get inflammation down in your mouth and everywhere else as well.
That's where everything goes first.
Yep.
Thank you very much.